Welcome to Fun Lab Experiment Science Simulation video. Today, you're stepping into the role of a pH scale detective. Have you ever wondered why lemon juice tastes sour or why soap feels slippery? These everyday substances have something in common: their pH value. But what is pH? The pH scale tells us whether something is an acid, a base, or neutral. In this fun, experiment-based video, you'll learn how to test pH using a natural indicator and pH paper. By the end, you'll know how to classify substances based on their pH as acidic, basic, or neutral. Let's first gather all the materials you'll need. You will be needing red cabbage, water, a pot and a stove for boiling, a strainer, 3 to 4 transparent cups or glasses, lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda, a spoon, optional, pH paper or a test kit. We'll be doing 2 experiments, one with a red cabbage indicator and another with pH paper. Conduction steps for experiment. Experiment 1, red cabbage as natural pH indicator. Step 1, chop some red cabbage into small pieces. Ask an adult to help you boil them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see the water turning purple. That's a natural pH indicator. Step 2, once it cools down, strain out the cabbage. Keep only the purple liquid. This magic juice will help us detect acids and bases. Step 3, pour equal amounts of cabbage juice into 3 different transparent cups. Step 4, time to test. In the first cup, add lemon juice. In the second cup, add a spoon of baking soda mixed with water. In the third cup, add vinegar. Watch closely. Can you spot the color change? Now it's your turn. You can try this simple experiment right at home with the help of an adult. Let's see what kind of pH detective work you can do. Why does cabbage change color? Ever wondered why the cabbage juice changes color? It's all thanks to a superhero molecule called anthocyanin, the natural pigment in red cabbage. When anthocyanin meets different pH levels, it reacts like a mood ring. In acidic liquids like lemon juice or vinegar, it turns pink or red. In basic liquids like soap water or baking soda, it becomes green or blue. And in neutral ones like plain water, it stays purple. Can you guess what color cabbage juice would turn in toothpaste? Try it at home and share your detective findings. Experiment 2, using pH paper. Step 1. Now, let's use pH paper or a pH test kit. These tools help us measure pH more accurately. Take a strip of pH paper. Step 2, dip the pH paper into different liquids like orange juice, soap water, or plain water. You'll see the color change. Step 3. Compare the color on the pH paper to the chart that comes with it. pH 1 to 6 means acid. pH 7 means neutral. pH 8 to 14 means base. Now you know exactly what kind of substance you're testing. Scientific explanation. Part 1, pH indicators. Turmeric isn't just a kitchen spice, it's also a natural pH indicator. It contains a special pigment called curcumin, which changes color when it comes in contact with something basic, like soap or baking soda. In acidic or neutral conditions, turmeric stays yellow. But add a base, and it transforms into a red-orange color. That's your pH indicator in action. Part 2, redox reactions. Redox means reduction and oxidation. It's all about electrons moving from one molecule to another. Vitamin C donates electrons, reducing iodine and making the dark color disappear. That's redox magic right there. Part 3. Chemical transformations. Anytime atoms rearrange to make something new, that's a chemical transformation. Color changes are a clue that something new has formed. Real-life examples. pH indicator. Swimming pools use pH indicators, just like cabbage juice. Rusting is a redox reaction. Anti-rust coatings stop this by blocking oxidation. Apples turning brown? That's oxidation too. Observation and explanation. Let's look at what the color changes tell us. If the purple juice turns pink or red, it's an acid. Lemon juice and vinegar are acids. If it turns green or blue, it's a base. Baking soda is a base. Conclusion. So, what did we learn? Red cabbage juice acts as a natural pH indicator. It helps us see if a substance is acidic, basic, or neutral just by changing color. Summary. Let's summarize. Red cabbage juice changes color depending on the pH of a substance. Acids turn it red-pink, bases turn it blue-green, and neutrals don't change. In simple terms, red cabbage juice changes color depending on whether a substance is an acid or a base. Red or pink means acid, and blue or green means base. Quiz. Let's test what you've learned. Question number 1 is: what does a pH value of 2 mean? Options are A. Base, B. Neutral, C. Acid, D. Salt. The correct answer is C. Acid. Because anything below pH 7 is acidic. Question number 2 is: what color does red cabbage juice turn with baking soda? Options are A. Red, B. Purple, C. Blue-green, D. Yellow. The correct answer is C. Blue-green. Baking soda is a base, and bases turn the juice blue or green. Question number 3 is: which of these is likely to be neutral? Options are A. Soap, B. Pure water, C. Vinegar, D. Lemon juice. The correct answer is B. Pure water. Water has a pH of 7, exactly neutral. Thank you for joining us on this science adventure. You're now a certified pH scale detective.